This plank plus push-up combo will completely transform your body. You've probably done planks and push-ups, but you've probably never attempted or heard of a plank push-up. This combination exercise combines a plank's core training with a push arm, ups shoulder, and back workout. As a result, it works a variety of muscles across your body, including your triceps and shoulders. In this video, we'll learn more about this remarkable technique. This combination of planks and push-ups will radically alter your physique. Viewers, welcome back. Which workouts do you believe are the most beneficial for weight loss? Trainers and fitness instructors will tell you that plank and push-ups are at the top of the list. These simple bodyweight workouts strengthen your arms while also improving core control, flexibility, and endurance. They're also known as plank to push-up or plank push-up combinations since they combine the advantages of two powerful movements, such as posture improvement and core strengthening. But first, let's talk about how to accomplish this plank push-up workout. To learn more, keep watching this video. Before we proceed, a like would be great for this video. Targeted muscles. 1. The triceps. 2. The chest. 3. The shoulders. 4. The abs muscles. How do you go about doing it? To begin in a high plank posture with your arms straight and your hands immediately beneath your shoulders. Pack your shoulders and squeeze your abs and glutes. Maintain a neutral posture with your head and neck, and your eyes a few inches in front of your hands. Lower down onto your right forearm, then the left, while keeping your torso in a firm plank position, to form a forearm plank. Keep your core tight and tighten your legs as you press your right hand into the floor, followed by the other, to return to a high plank position. Benefits of a plank push-up. Plank. 1. Strengthens and engages the core. 2. Strengthens and stabilizes the body for everyday motions and power moves. 3. Strengthens the spine, which improves posture. 4. Helps to define muscles. Push-up. 5. Combines various actions to rapidly build strength. 6. It improves the strength of your shoulders, arms, and chest. 7. It's a fantastic core strengthening workout. 8. It may be tweaked to increase muscular activation and strength. Tips. 1. Warm-up is crucial, especially for rookies. Use a full-body loosening exercise like jumping rope or jogging to accomplish this. 2. For added comfort and stability, place an exercise mat beneath your arms. 3. During the push-up plank, keep your abdominal muscles firm and breathe regularly throughout the workout. 4. Maintain good form by visualizing a straight line running from the back of your head to your ankles. Modifications. Start on your knees and work your way up to a full plank push-up routine if the plank push-up is too difficult. If you're a beginner, you may start with a plank against the wall or a countertop. From there, gradually reduce the inclination until you can keep the board level with the ground. Hold the plank and push-up postures for 10 to 30 seconds per representative to make it more difficult. Perform 2 or 3 push-ups after you're in the push-up position before returning to the plank position to improve arm strength. Can you feel your body changing simply thinking about this combination workout? We're sure you do. Please leave your thoughts, comments, or questions regarding this video in the comments section below. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel for more fascinating information about the human body. Here are 2 additional videos to watch, both of which will undoubtedly assist you in achieving your goals. Stay healthy.